students, now here we taken one problem. We solve this example, that is simultaneous equations, by using Gauss elimination method. Now we know the procedure for this Gauss elimination. We will implement that procedure. We will understood once again. We are completing this procedure in two steps. First step, make these two elements 0 initially, that is our step 1. Later on, make this element to be 0, that is our step 2, and the method we have completed in two steps. Now then we will get, by using the backward substitutions, values of x, y and z. So we have to find out the unknown values x, y and z. In the step 1, we will start. We have to make these two elements 0 with this element. So this is our first row, that is R1, second row R2, third row R3. Now always we will make element 0 with the diagonal element. So for these two elements, the diagonal element is this one. So our operation is R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. Now we have not written here multiplying factor. Now we will mention here. For R2, the coefficient is 1. Again, for R1, coefficient is 1. We will mention this. Still it is 1 by 1, but we will mention our actual operation. Similarly, for R3, multiplying factor is multiply by 3 and divide by 1. So this is our operation. Now perform this. I will write down that new system of equation here. First equation as it is. Now we have to find out changes in the second and third equation. So for this, how we will get value of this element become 0? Now we will calculate coefficient of y here. So y coefficient we have to find out. So operation is, what calculation we are writing? Y minus 1 by 1 into R1, that is 4. Now we got here output 4 of y. So it is minus of 3y. So we got here minus of 3y. Now similarly for z discussion, minus of 6z multiplying factor into its z coefficient. So the output of this, it is minus of 5z, which is equals to. Similarly, we will discuss here constant minus 12 multiplying factor into its coefficient for R1. Output out of this minus of 7. So this is our second equation with the change. Similarly, in R3, a new change, this becomes 0. What will be the coefficient of y and z and constant? Newly we will discuss. Minus of y for R3 minus multiplying factor into its R1 is 4, which is equals to minus of 13y. Minus of 13y. Similarly, for z, minus of z into its z coefficient in the R1 is equals to plus 2z. Similarly, the constant we will discuss, 4 minus multiplying factor into its R1, which is equals to 19. So we calculated this calculation on the Calc. You calculate this. I written here the calculation, actual calculations. You perform. So this become our new system of equation. In that, this 2x coefficient becomes 0. Now in the step 2, we'll make this element 0 with this diagonal element. So its diagonal element is here. So the operation becomes R3 minus R2. R3 minus with diagonal R2. Now multiplying factor minus 13 divided by minus of 3. Well, I am not writing here that minus and minus it become plus, because the actual operation I am writing for every problem with every operation. Now in this, again I will explain the calculation for this. This becomes 0. What will be the z coefficient in the third equation? So it is 2z minus multiplying factor into R2. It is minus of 5z. Output of this it is 23.66 z. Similarly, constant we'll discuss here. 19 minus into minus of 7. Output of this it is 49.33. So new system of equation it become. First two equations as it is. Minus of 3y. Next, this element becomes 0. The coefficient for z newly we got here 23.66 z is equals to 49.33. So the procedure of Gauss elimination completed. We reduce the given system of equation into upper triangular form. Now by backward substitution method, we'll get value of z is equals to divided by, and the output of this it is 2.085. Similarly, by using the second equation, substitute value of z here, then we'll get value of y equal to, I'm just mentioning what value of y calculation part. This transfer in the RHS, it becomes plus 5z divided by minus of 3. Substitute value of z, this one here, and then value of y become 1417. Similarly, I will write down here equation for x is equals to minus 5 plus z minus of 4y. Substitute z and y value previous in this equation x, and then we'll get value of x. So these are our unknowns x, y and z values. X is equals to 6518, value of y and value of z. So these are our unknowns. So we find this values of unknowns by using Gauss elimination method. So this is the method. Thank you.